Welcome, my dear followers. Today I am giving you a barbecue flavored meatballs in the oven. 1000 grams ground beef must be ground into the kneading bowl. 1 grated onion juice should be squeezed. Add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Add salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin, ground red pepper as seasoning. Add 1 garlic clove. Add 120 milliliters of mineral water to it and let's knead it with your hands. Let's knead for 5 minutes for nice meatballs. After getting a good consistency, leave it in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 hours. Cover it with cling film. Don't forget to subscribe for free to support our channel. After 3 hours, we take it out of the refrigerator and shape it with our hands. Break off walnut-sized pieces and spread them by pressing lightly in your hand. If this is your first time watching me, please tell me where you watched it. We need to wet our hands from time to time while doing it this way. By doing this, you can eat a delicious meatball with barbecue taste. Cook the famous Turkish meatball recipe practically with this method. Please don't forget to like and share the video so that more audience can be reached. Meatballs are ready on the tray. I also add pepper and onion. You can serve them this way. Cook tomatoes, onions and peppers in the oven in a controlled manner. Let's put oil on the peppers, it will cook better. The oven will be preheated to 250 degrees. Bake in the oven. 7 minutes later we do it inside out. We leave it in the oven to cook again. As you can see, we cook it on the upper side, in the grill section. The first tray is cooked, the second is cooking. This is the same way we turn it upside down and let it cook. All the meatballs are ready. I also cooked the ingredients you will serve. Perfect fried outside, juicy inside. Thanks for watching me.